तो आज हम अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड एजुकेशन फोर्थ सेम के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, द रेशो ऑफ हेड टू हाइट इज 1:4 एट बर्थ। बाय द टाइम ऑफ मैच्योरिटी इट बिकम्स। इसका जो आंसर है ए पार्ट 1:8। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी ए प्रॉब्लम टू प्री स्कूल एजुकेशन? सी पार्ट पुअर सैलरी ऑफ नर्सरी टीचर्स। द इमोशंस ऑफ द child during infancy are C part untrained. In India, ECCE covers all early childhood care and education programs and related services in default all of them public sectors, private sectors, voluntary sectors. इसका जो आंसर है default. NCF 2005 says the children do not fail. They indicate is the failure of the school. इसका जो आंसर है B part strongly agree. In participant observation, the observer can collect material from a group to a large extent if he acts A part passively. Development refers to B part quantitative and qualitative changes. Development of self concept is the example of D part creativity development. John Dewey was highly in favor of B part social discipline, who said the child is a body which grows and a soul which develops. D part Maria Montessori. Montessori calls the teacher as D part Dactylius. Montessori was born in 1870 in Seaport, Italy. Which of the following statements about development is correct? D part all of these. Clear conception of size, weight, color, time is seen at the age of A part 6 years. Which of the following characteristics denote infancy period? Physical growth in curvilinear. Physical growth is rapid. Head grows at a relatively slow rate as compared to other parts of the body. इसका जो आंसर है डी फॉर all of these. Which of the following is not the characteristic of intellectual development of early childhood? C part ability to verbalize all known concepts. Girls surpass boys physically in B part later childhood. Which of the following classroom scheduling practices would be developmentally appropriate for child of preschool age? D part alternating physically active and active quiet activities. A kindergarten teacher regularly indicates project based investigations as part of the curriculum. The perspective would benefit students primarily by D part promoting their exploration of concept from integrated and varied perspectives. Which of the following steps should a program evaluation term take first as it begins the process of conducting a comprehensive evaluation of an early childhood program? A part reviewing the program current philosophy, goals, and objectives. In which of the following scenarios is an early childhood teacher acting primarily in his her role as an advocate for child and families in the program? A part a preschool teacher collaborates with an agency in the community to organize a series of health and wellness events. The concept of ECCE come to India subcontinent nearly in the year A part 1986. The average weight of a newborn baby is approximately 3 kg. A part. Jumping, bouncing, and crawling are some of the activities that promote CPOT motor development. The etymological meaning of word kindergarten is the child's garden. The scheme of ICDS is founded by central government. A part. One of the major reasons of need of ECCE is CPOT poor schooling conditions. To stimulate intellectual curiosity is an objective of ECCE provided by NPE 1986 B part. Who among the following considers school as a miniature society? C part John Dewey. Didactic apparatus is used to support encourage individuality of a child. Who among the following favored the child-centered education system? A part DV. Montessori opened a school in 1907 named as C part Children's School. First kindergarten was opened in B part Blackenberg. Teaching through gifts and songs is the concept of C part kindergarten education. Which of the following act as database for child for case study method? Default all of them. Naturalistic and controlled are two types of observation method. B part. NPE 1986 recommends dash at pre-school education. B part introduction of 3 R's method. Category of children included in the ICDS is D part below 6 years. Daycare centers for ECCE were suggested by NPE 1986 C part. Introduction of daycare centers provided a support service for universalization of A part primary education. Thank you.